It's beginning.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll have to video how low the rocks are down here now. Oh, and they're stopping.
River coming down, finally being filmed.
Yeah.
I don't see too big a wall coming, but it's just a gradual swell at this time. But oh, it's coming around the island. Yep.
Yep. Wow.
On a beautiful sunny day. This is what happens in the mountains.
How do you figure this happened?
A flash flood up on top of Ramsey Cascades.
Wow.
What,
It got
a
loud
dam
all
broke
of
or
a
something?
sudden.
No, just a big rain. That's why it's so dangerous, because downstream you don't know it's coming. That's why rivers are dangerous here. Woo, buddy,
look
here it
at
comes.
Damn, I wasn't about my phone.
Spreading out, coming under the bridge. Whoa,
Oh,
big one, here it comes. Oh man, going all the way up
bloody.
on both sides. It's went around the little island. This is off the Grassy Branch Bridge. Man, I hope they've got them out all the way down to,
They're all the way down.
okay.
You hear all the rocks moving?
They were pulled down Maple Branch.
Okay, here comes the big log. Wonder how that big tree that's across Pittman Center Road down there at Laurel's going to take
Here
this.
comes a log.
I've been thinking about that every day when I pass it, that needs to get cut out, but I can't even shut up long enough to film. I'm sorry. Here comes trees,
Log, yeah.
logs. Oh my God, here comes the big one. Yuck. Here they come, all kinds of trees. Cloudburst over Ramsey Cascades on June the 22nd, 2015. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park.
Man, look how wide it is
Oh,
now.
I know. Getting the width all the way over into the grassy area and then over around the island.
The beach area. All up there. It's going to be all the way up through there. Oh, look at that big tree right there.
Big tree caught in it.
Oh, wow. You don't ever see that mug up there? All washed out.
Very wide. It's getting wider.
Wow. Man.
About 2.5 feet up. 45 seconds.
There goes a frisbee. This is Ed Mayer. We know all their families.
Hey, Judy. I was Judy Perryman, Judy Tucker now.
Yeah.
Perryman when I was the mayor. But I was telling her I've waited 57 years to see this. Actually
I know.
see it coming.
Uh-huh.
You know, I've always got
How
there.
often do you get a warning? It's usually after
Yeah,
dark.
well, I work at 911 and they called me and said, we're sending everybody toward Pittman Center because
Oh, yeah.
there's this big wall of water on Ramsey Cascades. So I just flew over here, tried to tell people to get out. They would.
I wouldn't have thought you could beat it down. It's not as fast.
It's not
as
as
it looks.
fast. No, I've been
I
here.
was at the corner hole and I ran down here.
Uh-huh.
Fantastic.
And this is when it's so dangerous. Now, who in the world would think on a beautiful sunny day like this that this is going to happen?
Well, it's funny. So I was working on pressure washing the deck, and the clouds, instead of being above Greenbrier, they were way over to the left.
That's
Dark
when it's
clouds.
dangerous.
That's Ramsey's.
Yes.
I just ignored it, didn't think anything about it. Thought, oh, too bad it missed us again.
Yeah. should be probably the maximum height, I would assume. Right here, it's been filming for 5 minutes, so I'm pretty sure that this is going to be maximum height on it, that the majority of what's already came through.